Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get bubble gum in PKXD. First, you will want to open the game and head straight to your avatar customization menu. This is where all the magic happens for personalizing your character. We are focusing on a super easy way to give your avatar that adorable bubble gum look, making them stand out in the PKXD universe. It is a simple process that takes only a few moments to complete. To begin, locate the hanger icon on your screen, which represents the customization menu. Tap on it to open up all the options for changing your avatar's appearance. Once inside, you will see various categories like hair, clothes, and accessories. For the bubble gum look, you need to find the section dedicated to faces or expressions. This is usually clearly labeled and easy to spot among the other choices. Now that you are in the face customization section, scroll through the different facial expressions. You are looking for the one that shows your avatar blowing a bubble. It often appears as a round, colorful bubble, usually pink or light blue, coming from your avatar's mouth. Once you find this specific design, simply select it. There might be a small cost in coins, perhaps a few hundred, to unlock it permanently for your avatar. After selecting and confirming your bubble gum face, it will immediately appear on your avatar. You can now exit the customization menu and explore the PKXD world with your fresh, fun look. Show off your unique style to your friends and other players. Try pairing this playful face with different outfits and accessories to create even more distinctive combinations. Enjoy expressing yourself with this adorable and popular in-game feature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.